Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on using Microsoft Excel. Excel is a powerful tool for organizing, analyzing, and presenting data. In this tutorial, we will be going over the basics of using Excel, including how to enter and edit data, how to format cells and worksheets, and how to create basic formulas and functions. Step 1. Navigating the Excel interface. When you open Excel, you'll see a blank workbook with a grid of cells organized into rows and columns. The column letters and row numbers on the grid help you identify the location of each cell. To enter data into a cell, simply click on the cell and type the data. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move to different cells. To save your workbook, go to the File tab in the ribbon and click on Save As. Then, choose a location and a name for your workbook and click Save. Step 2. Formatting cells and worksheets. In Excel, you can format cells and worksheets to make your data look the way you want it to. To format a cell, first select the cell or cells you want to format. Then, go to the Home tab in the ribbon and use the various buttons and options in the Font, Alignment, and Number groups to change the appearance of your data. You can also use the Fill and Border options to add color and lines to your cells. To format an entire worksheet, you can use the Page Layout tab in the ribbon. Here, you can change the margins, orientation, and size of your worksheet, as well as add headers and footers. Step 3. Creating formulas and functions. In Excel, you can use formulas and functions to perform calculations on your data. A formula is a set of instructions that tells Excel how to calculate a value based on the data in your cells. To create a formula, start by typing an equal sign in the cell where you want the result to appear. Then, type the formula using cell references, operator symbols like plus, minus, multiply, divide, and any other values or functions you need. For example, to add the values in cells A1 and B1, you would type equals A1 plus B1 into the cell where you want the result to appear. Functions are predefined formulas that perform a specific calculation. To use a function, type the function name followed by an opening parenthesis as the arguments for the function. For example, to find the sum of a range of cells, you can use the sum function, like this, equals sum A1 plus B1. And that's it. You now know the basics of using Microsoft Excel. With a little practice, you'll be able to enter, format, and analyze data in Excel with ease. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us in the comments or through our social media channels. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be sure to try out the techniques and skills you learned in this tutorial on your own. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Thanks for watching.